In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck device and system info from Flare to developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, open it, and then thanks to it learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip: when you go back to dashboard section, you should click on all of those options here. Not only because you will check out all the informations, but also because when you click on settings at the bottom right corner of each of those, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. You can also do that by clicking on gear icons at the top right corner of, for example, operating system, and many more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!